Welcome to this technical guide on the Rowenta RO6373. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Rowenta RO6373 cable keeps getting stuck, you're not alone. This issue often arises due to wear and tear, dirt buildup, or even damage to the internal mechanisms. If left unresolved, it can lead to further complications, including potential electrical hazards or complete cable failure. Today, we'll walk you through the repair process to get your device back to optimal functioning. For this repair, you will need a screwdriver set, a replacement cable specific to the Rowenta RO6373, and a pair of pliers. It's also helpful to have a clean workspace and a soft cloth to protect the device's surface. First, we need to safely open the device. Start by unplugging it and ensuring there is no power source connected. Using the screwdriver, carefully remove the screws located on the base of the Rowenta RO6373. Be sure to keep track of these screws, as they can be quite small. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the casing, taking care not to damage any clips or connectors. When you have access to the internal components, locate the cable mechanism that is causing the issue. This is typically where the cable retracts. Inspect it for any visible signs of wear or obstruction. If you notice any dirt or debris, carefully clean it out. To extract the faulty component, you may need to disconnect a few wires. Make a note of where each wire connects, as this will be important for reassembly. When you've removed the damaged cable, take the replacement cable and connect it in the same manner as the old one. Ensure that all connections are secure, but be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage surrounding components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is connected, close the casing and reinsert all screws tightly, ensuring the device is sealed properly. Finally, plug in your Rowenta RO6373 and test the cable mechanism to confirm that it operates smoothly without getting stuck. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly clean the cable components and avoid pulling the cable at awkward angles. Keeping your device in a clean environment can also help prolong its life. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.